Hold on. Go. Top.
Oh, okay. Alright, so we're going to replace the old power cable with the new... We're going to replace the European version with the new American version. So first thing we're going to do is take off the adapter. Alright. So we're going from this to this. So we're going to take the cover off, slip mat, all that stuff. You just pull on this to pull it out. Just pops right out. Alright, next we're going to take out the screws that hold it down. Can you have that screwdriver right there, folks? Thanks. Phillips. Thank you. Alright, so there's going to be 5 screws. Almost there. Fuck off, guys.
It's because I just reminded you that you were Heck yeah. All that.
Oh, come on.
Tell them how you want to use a magnet sometimes just to pull this
Oh,
out.
yeah. Actually, we have a magnet right there, too.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
But if your Phillips screwdriver is magnetized,
There you
then
go.
it'll be even better.
There you go.
Oh, sorry, Mom.
Then you won't have to just screw it and it stick.
Alright, so we got the 5 screws out. Now we can just take the top off. Exposing. These are the 2 positive and negative that control the power source or provide the power to the turntable itself. Alright, so the next thing you can do is you can unscrew this.
I found it on TV. It's your favorite.
Alright. And then after this, we're gonna snip the we're gonna snip this off so that we can get more access to the 2 cables. Go, get on it.
Can you show how that one's sitting on top?
Oh yeah, let's zoom in on how it's
Sitting on top.
and this one's on tape too, so this is officially official. Alright, so
I couldn't get you the real stuff, so I got you the fake kind.
Alright, cool.
Look, babe.
I can do that?
Game can, it's relaxation tea.
alright. Okay, so now I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna put it in the capable hands of Gabe for the next part of it.
Alright.
Oh my gosh, Millie was like, oh, they have this, they have that, they have this.
We're still recording.
Okay, that's cool. I don't really like to talk. I'm just going to show.
Alright. Be like this.
You need one of those to get going with? Alright.
Where's your little flashlight?
Oh, flashlight?
Shine a little light on this situation.
So, we're going to take off the positive and the negative. You can stop from right there and then they should know what's
I
up.
only
Huh?
like Pico.
Yeah.
Remember Pico, Nani? We used to go to Tijuana with my friend Hector Sanchez and Anissa and Yadira and all them. We'd go down with the family in the back of their like little Camry station wagon. All the kids would be in the back, no seatbelt. We'd go to TJ and buy Picos.
Now, sometimes they'll have a hole that you can put the wire through. In this case, it's actually wrapped around the
Remember,
terminal.
you suck on them, you just have your mouth and they get all your saliva and then it'll be super good. It's disgusting. But, you know, it's good stuff.
So he's going to be working at this for a second, just working away that solder and unwrapping it.
Nexus tablet soap. Google makes it. Like when...
174.
How much did it charge?
Oh, it's charged. No, like...
170.
170.
We got the refurbish off of eBay.
Heel is a very good shopper.
It's funny she didn't even say anything. She just kept drinking her milk. Like, nah.
Mom, it was too little to eat this.
Yes. He is. No. Yeah. No games, but I got the internet.
There we go. Woo.
Yeah. Here, I'll put you.
See that bad boy start melting?
No. Oh, no YouTube?
Yeah. You know what
I have headphones too, so you can listen to. You want to listen to something? Just wear headphones, okay?
Look at that. You see it coming loose? It's almost there. And you see how steady he is? See how he's doing that? See how gentle he was, like a surgeon?
This one is the left side.
Then he just repeats the process on the other side. Just getting that bad boy
Look
hot.
at you. Look at the cool fish. Cool fish. See? 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 Boca? ¿Quieres comer?
Look at that, look at that. You see that? Bong. Alright. So next thing we're going to do is pull the old guy out real quick.
Go ahead.
Oh, isn't that good? Yeah. You want to hold him more? Want some more? See? Do that one first, okay?
Oh, come on.
Yeah, that's my cutie pie.
Alright, so we got the old one out of the way. That's the ground cable.
Ground cable for the bottom.
For the R series, yeah.
Yeah,
So just pull
okay.
it back out there. Alright. And then here's our new one that's going to be getting installed.
You want a cup for your Coke?
So just.
Yep. You want ice?
You got the wire snip back
Yeah,
a little bit?
yeah, we cut them back. Already cut them back.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I was on top of things. Say, hey, feed up.
Yeah, that's
Ben was
you
supervising.
should record yourself. So who you are.
As
Nah.
I was supervising.
We can hear him in the background, but we can't see him.
That's all right. We don't need to see.
Oh man.
So we did have to cut back a little bit of the plastic sheeting so that the new cables can wrap around since they don't go through the hole.
Because there is no hole.
Yes. We don't have the hole on this one. It's the budget. We got the budget.
Okay.
You can see how he's making sure to lay it across the top the way that this one was set up. Is this frozen?
No, I'm not watching Frozen.
Earthquake. So he's just wrapping the cables around the post, getting it ready for the soldering.
You got about 50 seconds left.
Yeah, right.
So it's counting down.
Oh, so we gotta stop it and start it again.
That's why you gotta just tell them what you're doing and then stop it and then
Oh,
you're gonna have to
you
edit.
have someone who's experienced.
You're gonna have to edit.
You have to edit it. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. You have to edit it.
Everybody's talking.
I don't like what you guys are saying at all right now. We're not in this shit. This is one take.
Hey, we do it
You're
wrong.
in the video.
Do it live. We're doing it live.
Doing it old school.
You got a cup or you want a straw? See, Clay, you could do this. Okay?
All right, so we got the both of them are wrapped, and now we're gonna take a quick break and then get to soldering.
Yeah, here, let me get you.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Time to solder. Watch and learn. That's all you need to do.
Make a wish, guys. Hey, you No, I do that every time. I don't know. I'm like, just say with salt. Ever since Sabo has been away, I can't do it. I go, Sabo. Just in case. I don't want to screw up any bad luck. I'm like, I've been doing it for like almost over 10 years. I'm
Going faster now. You see that? Woo woo!
And you know, I saw that from the lady on Rachel Ray. She always says, I'm like,
Hey, Mom! Hey! Hey!
She's going again tomorrow? She's gonna go to the house?
Yeah, the same one. You know that deli that's by their house?
want another goldfish?
Have you
Want goldfish?
I was just saying that went there today for breakfast.
That's the end of the show.
Opposite side of the freeway.